Sanje Jodon Zoye Jonam Lo Chajo Bodo Dane Jabzoj Aye Jinye Jive Zonan Ye Dolo Benja Zonye Tuba Sho Namu Buddhaya Tashidele to everybody. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss about the 52 mental factors, and I have already discussed about the differences between the mind and mental factor in my previous videos. So those who have not seen that videos, so please watch this video. This is my request, and I will put this video links in my descriptions, and I hope you enjoy my videos. So today I am going to discuss about the mental factors. So there are 52 mental factors. So if you look at the Buddhist psychologies, there are two key scriptures or sources. So these are the first one is Ngomba Dedu. Ngomba Dedu, it means 7 canonical scriptures of Abhidharma, and another one is the Cheda Shizuchimo. So Cheda Shizuchimo is the great explanations of Abhidharmas. So these two textbooks are the key source of Buddhist psychologies. So when it comes to the Tibetan Buddhisms, actually there are many commentaries of these two books, but in Tibetan there are 2 books, another 2 more books are very popular. So these 2 books are the Abhidharma Sammukakaya. It means Ngombakundu in Tibetan language. Then Abhidharma Kosha, it means Ngombadzu in Tibetan language. So Ngombakundu and Ngombadzu, Abhidharma Sammukakaya and Abhidharma Koshas. So these 2 textbooks became the major textbooks in the Tibetan monastic institutions. So this is what I wanted to say. So when I talk about the 52 mental factors, actually this list of the 52 mental factor, actually it was enumerated by the Abhidharma Sammukakaya. So what are the differences between the Abhidharma Sammukakaya and Abhidharma Kosha? Abhidharma Sammukakaya, it provides the higher level of the philosophical analysis, and also it provides the very fair, extensive explanations. So that's why Abhidharma Sammukakaya became more popular in Tibetan Buddhisms. So therefore, I will explain regarding the mental factor based on the Abhidharma Sammukakaya. So according to the Abhidharma Sammukakaya, so it enumerates the list of 52 mental factors. So if you look at the 52 mental factors, so 52 mental factors are the first one is Kundonga. Kundonga, it means 5 omnipresent mental factors. Then the second one is Yungenga. Yungenga, it means 5 mental factors with the determinate objects. Then the third one is a Gyawachukchik. Gyawachukchik, it means 11 virtuous mental factors. Then the fourth one is the six, Tsanyutu is the six root mental factors. Then the fifth one is Nyenyu Nishu, 20 secondaries mental factors. Then the last one is Shenjushi. Shenjushi, it means 4 variables mental factors. So the first one, Kundonga. So what are the 5 omnipresence mental factors? The 5 omnipresence mental factors are, first one is a feeling, then second one is discernment, then third one is intention, fourth one is attention, then fifth one is contact. So first one, feeling, it means Tsorwa in Tibetan language. So today I'm not going to discuss all of them. If possible, I will try to complete only the topic of feelings and topic of discernments. So, so what is a feeling according to the Buddhist psychologies? So, when I discuss about the feelings, I'm going to explain you, I'm going to speak you what is the cause of feelings. The first one is what is the definitions of feeling according to the Abhidharma Sammukakhaya's textbook. Then what are the categories of feelings? And then the third one is what are the functions of the feelings? So these 3 things I'm going to discuss here in this video. So first one is the definitions. So what is the definitions of feeling? So definitions of the feeling according to the Buddhist psychologies, if I read this in Tibetan, Simdung Parma Chirik Ram Topki Nyamso Nyuwe Nabachiki Simjung. It means the feeling is a mental factor that experiences any type of pleasure, pain, and neutral feeling by its own power. So this is the definitions of the feelings. So if you look at the feeling, feeling has different types of categories. The first one is all the feelings are divided into the two things. The first one is the physical feeling, and another one is a mental feeling. Then another categories is all the feelings, they are divided into the pleasure, pain, and equanimities. So these are the 2 categories of the feelings. Then when it comes to the function of the feelings, so pleasure feelings, it induces the attachment, and the unpleasant feeling, it induces the anger, and the neutral feeling, it induces the ignorance. So these are the functions of the feelings. Now we will discuss about the discernment. Okay, so what is the definition of the discernment? So according to the Buddhist psychology, discernment means that discernment is a mental factor that apprehends the distinguished mark of its objects by its own powers. So when I say as apprehending the distinguishing mark, it means that when we see the two objects, so let's take an example of blue color and the yellow color. When we see the blue color and the yellow color, and our discernment, mental factor discernment, it allows us to identify the blue color and yellow color without mixing its own, natures or its own identities, So this is the meaning of the apprehending the distinguishing mark. So if you look at the classification of discernments, so there are two types of discernments. The first one is the discernment that apprehends a distinguishing mark. Then another one is the discernment that apprehends a mental image. The first one, the discernment that apprehends a distinguished mark, actually this discernment is always accompanied with the sense consciousness. The second one, the discernment that apprehends the mental image, it always, accompanied with the mental consciousness. So therefore, our sense consciousness, the discernment that accompanied with the sense consciousness, it allows us to see this is allows us to see the blue color and the yellow color as I mentioned earlier, that without mixing them, they can identify without mixing their entity. So this is the meaning of discernments that apprehends a distinguishing mark, or discernment that accompanied with the sense consciousness. The discernment that accompanied with the mental consciousness, or the discernment that apprehends a mental image, means, when you see the blue color, then in your mind, it allows you to label. So this is the blue and this is the yellow. So this is the meaning of the discernment that apprehends a mental image. So what is the functions of the discernments? The functions of the discernment is to label and name objects, and it also, distinguish one object from another, and also it also, identifies object with the terms and phrases. So these are the functions of the mental discernments. So today I'm going to stop here, and rest of the other mental factors, we will discuss them continuously, and I hope that you enjoy my teaching or my video. And if you have any questions, then you can contact me. I have given my phone number in my descriptions, so you can contact me, and I would love to have your questions. And sometimes, I can learn a lot of things from the questions that raised by other people's. So thank you so much. That's all. See you in my next video.